Grok AI, the best free AI video generator, has stopped its free AI video generation. Every creator is now worried. But don't worry, after deep research, I found the top 3 free AI video generators that every creator needs. These tools let you create unlimited, high-quality videos with perfect soundtracks just like Grok did. And the best part, nobody is talking about these tools. This is a completely different method, so I'm going to show you step by step how to create unlimited videos for free. Before we dive in, take a look at these AI-generated examples, and then let's get started.
It's raining candy! Weed is the best! Alright, more candy!
Peaches glow into dreams, soft as snow and sunlight gleam.
So the first tool I'm talking about is Wan AI. Wan AI is a free AI tool with the help of which we can generate unlimited AI videos with a perfect soundtrack, high quality, and really amazing results. When you log in on Wan AI, you receive daily credits, which you can use to generate your videos. But no need to worry about the credits, because we want unlimited videos, right? So I've got a trick for you, just watch till the end, because I will share that trick with you.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
All right, now let's create our first video. So simply in the prompt box, make sure that the video option is selected. After this, enter your prompt, and if you want, you can also add frames or audio according to your need. After this, do some simple settings like camera movement, video length, lighting style, and so on. And once everything is set, simply click on generate, and our video will start generating. After a few moments, our video will be ready, and here we go. Just look at the result, look at the quality, how amazing it is. The visuals, the soundtrack, everything is just top-notch. Literally everything looks so good. Now, simply download your video. If your video contains a watermark, don't worry. You can go to Ez Watermark Remover website and remove it easily. Now it's time for our trick.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
You can see that our credits are finished. But don't worry, even if credits are low, you can still generate videos. It may just take a little more time. But here's the real trick. Simply log out from your account, go to any temporary email website, copy a temp mail, and create a new account. And just like that, you get fresh credits again. You can repeat this process again and again to generate unlimited videos. All right, so now let's move to the second tool. So the second tool I'm talking about is called Qwen AI. Yeah, so Qwen AI is another free AI tool where you can generate AI videos easily. And again, no need to worry about credits or anything like that, because here we can use the same temp mail trick. Once you are done with one account, simply log out, use a new temp mail, create another account, and you are all set again. All right, now let's create our video. First, simply click on the plus icon, and from here, select the Create Video option. After this, just enter your prompt and choose a perfect aspect ratio according to your need. Now, once everything is set, simply hit the Generate button, and our video will start generating. So after a few moments, our video is ready, and here we go. Just look at the result. Look at the quality, how perfect it is, the visuals, the motion, and the sound. Everything is just perfect, and there is no watermark at all. Yeah, that's totally amazing. The results are really cool. Simply download it. So we can keep generating unlimited AI videos for free by using Qwen AI. All right, so now let's move to our third tool. So the third and the last tool, which I was talking about, is Roboneo AI. Yeah, this tool is really different from others because on this platform, many popular AI models, which are usually paid, are available for free.
Yeah, boy.
Even Grok, which is paid right now, is available for free on this tool.
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
And many other popular models like Kling, Cadence, VO3, and more are also available here. So when you log in, you will receive daily credits, which you can use to generate videos. All right, now let's start generating our first video. Simply click on the workflow option, and after this, click on New Project. Now 2 options will appear in front of you, so select Workflow, and your canvas will be loaded. Don't worry about anything on the page. Simply select everything, delete it, and clean your workspace. Now you are ready to move forward. After this, click on the plus icon, and in the creation section, go to the video creation section. Here you will find multiple options. You can either generate a video using text, or you can convert an image into a video. For this example, we will choose the image to video option. So simply upload the image that you want to convert into a video and enter your prompt in the text box. After this, in the model section, you can select any model you want, but for now, we will select Grok AI, then do some simple settings. And once everything is done, simply click on Run, and our video will start generating. After a few moments, our video will be ready, and here we go. Just look at the result. The video quality, the motion, and the visuals are insane, and the sound is perfectly added in the background. And again, there is no watermark at all. And yeah, the results are just amazing. Simply download it. Now again, no need to worry about credits because we will use the same trick. Once your credits are finished, simply log out from your current account and create another account by using a temp email and keep generating unlimited AI videos for free. So guys, I have guided you completely. I have shown you the full process and shared the top 3 best free AI video generators in 2026 with you. Right now, these tools are free, so this is the best opportunity for you. Go ahead, start creating, grow your content, and turn your ideas into reality. And if you found this video helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel to support us, and share your thoughts in the comments about which AI tool you liked the most. We will see you in the next video with more amazing AI tools. Till then, take care, and thanks for watching.